My grandfather cloud was too much of a share, so it could not be yet on the floor. It was told by a voice carrying on my himself, what if you learn anyway more? It was on the morn of the day that he was born. It was all about passion and pride. It stopped, shout, never to come again, and the old man died. Many years they did tumbling, tick tock, tick tock. Sometimes they come to tumbling, tick tock, tick tock, tock. Shout, never to come again, and the old man died.